Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can manage your Jira site and notifications, like for example, browser notifications, email notifications, and so on and so forth. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Jira site, log into your account, and all you will need to do, guys, is click into that gear icon in the top right to access your Jira site settings, and from here select notification settings below. Next, guys, simply go through that list here, notifications for projects and work items, or as they were called in the past, issues. And yeah, simply enable or disable the type of notification you would like to keep or disable, like email preferences here, for example, group notifications. So for example, guys, you can decide to receive emails when you're an assignee or a reporter, or when you make changes to the work item. You may disable these email notifications for work item activity entirely here in the top right, or re-enable them. Do the same for group notifications, and here select the email format, and below go to the next type of notifications, like for example default notification settings here. And yeah, that's basically it. You can also customize your project notifications, or yeah, that's basically it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.